Oh.
What the hell?
Have a few drinks, play some games, and I'm keen. Can't wait to have one of my own. Blueberries, bananas, grapes. Freedom Day, baby! As you can probably tell from the title of today's video, this is the first weekend out of lockdown and I am so excited about it. I'm sure every single person who lives in Melbourne or even Sydney can understand the excitement and just like the craziness of being out of lockdown. We're going out for dinner and drinks tonight with our friends and I just could not be more keen, like honestly. Also, another exciting thing happening today is my planners are actually going live. I'm not sure if I've really spoken about them too much on the vlog, but I did release my own planners, which is just crazy. So I have a weekly planner, a meal planner, and also a to-do list. So they launched this morning. I've had a few orders come in already, so I'm going to package them up this afternoon and do a little like time lapse, but I could not be more happy with how they turned out. Andy actually helped me design them and like put them all together. I'm just so happy I finally came out with a product. I've been wanting to do something like this for probably like a solid year now, honestly, but I just didn't know how to go about it. I let fear get in my way. I was nervous that no one would really want them or people just like wouldn't care. But I'm glad I just listened to myself and just gave it a shot. So yeah, that is what we're up to today. Alright guys, it is now 4 p.m. I have not updated the vlog at all today because I did some packing of the planners and then I did a little bit of like client work and then I got ready and it took me way longer to get ready than anticipated. So we're running late. But Andy's dressed up, gets to wear a shirt finally. I get to wear like, I was gonna say a dress, but it's like a two-piece set. I didn't have any chance to film my outfit, but if we get photos tonight, which I'm sure we will, I will post them somewhere on the screen. But yeah, we're just going to our friend's house now and then we have our booking at 5:30, so quite early. And then we'll go back to their house, have a few drinks, play some games, and I'm keen. Uh-oh. Just got back from dinner. She gonna bark at us? What? Watch out, Baba. Watch out.
Wagging her tail.
Missy! Come here. Hello. She's heavy. Hello. I can't wait to have one of my own. She's so good.
Yeah. She's been under a blanket.
I've got long socks.
What's that for?
Me. Oh.
What the hell? Did you literally just prepare that?
Yo, what a goal.
Here's something I prepared earlier. Wow.
This just takes me back to like primary school. That's when these came.
Yeah.
You know, like the long yellow.
Yes. Yes. No one would like the red ones. I always would take the cherry
If you like,
ones.
instead of a Mars bar, you'd get
Like the yellow.
A yellow stick of Starbursts.
Do you guys remember those? I thought you were talking about this. It's like a fruit bar. It's like reconstituted fruit.
Yeah, it's like apricot.
Oh,
yeah.
How good were those?
They were good. When you were like 4 years old, like
they were best. Then you turned 5, chuck them out.
Yeah.
I'm scared. I'm James.
Back in the car. It is now Sunday morning and we're just driving down to the Mornington Hot Springs. I think that's what it's called. It's actually our 9-year anniversary today, which is super fun. And our 2-year like wedding anniversary. So we thought we'd do something nice today and just kind of relax, especially with all the planner stuff going on and other things that I will hopefully be able to share soon. It's just been a crazy couple of weeks. So we're gonna go relax at the hot springs and then we'll probably like go out for lunch, and yeah, I thought I would take you guys along with us. You got beautiful green eyes, Papa. It was so cute on you too.
Yeah.
Aww. Literally got home like an hour ago from our little day out and we've been on the couch ever since. I feel like because it's the first week out of lockdown, it's just kind of taken it out of us. If you're from Melbourne, let me know if you're feeling the same thing. Maybe it's just because I'm super extroverted, but after a big weekend of socializing, I am honestly zonked. Aww. Why do they love you? You can't get comfy? That's adorable. Alright guys, not gonna lie, I've been the worst vlogger. I need to get back into the swing of things. I've lost my touch, but we've just gone out and did our Sunday grocery shop, so I thought I would show you guys a quick little haul because I know how much people love these hauls. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and we're gonna start with the fresh produce. So we've got blueberries, bananas, grapes, a lettuce, some yogurts. I have like 50 million yogurts in the fridge. It's actually too funny. A zucchini, a carrot. We've got frozen corn and brock, a spring onion. For dinners this week, we're having like a butter chicken, and then with this one, we're gonna have like homemade Nando's. We've got bacon and the spring onion because we're making a carbonara for dinner tonight. Some bread, Spud Light potatoes, my almond milk, light coconut milk for the butter chicken. This is for the carbonara pasta. Some sweet chili sauce, some mayo, and then my snacks this week, I was really craving Rocky Road, so I'm gonna use this chocolate with a couple of those sugar-free marshmallows and some peanuts. Make a little Rocky Road, but I'm gonna put this all away now, and then it's 6:30 already, so probably going to make dinner anytime soon, but I've honestly had the best weekend ever. Like, couldn't ask for a better one, so yeah.
Yummy.